Introducing the EXGRIP System, the ultimate solution for precision, flexibility, and long-reach machining. With our EXGRIP selection console, building the perfect EXGRIP combination for your shop has never been easier. Customize every parameter to match your machining needs. With real-time 3D visualization, you can see your configuration come to life. Every part of your configuration includes a purchase button, so you can easily buy individual components or the full assembly. And for seamless integration into your workflow, feel free to download the step file of your assembled EXGRIP for CAM simulation. The EXGRIP system delivers unparalleled performance in deep cavity machining, ensuring stability, precision, and versatility for even the toughest tasks. Streamline your machining process with the EXGRIP system. Easily select, view, and purchase all the components you need. Download your step file to simulate and optimize your process today.